In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through setting up custom data fields in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to expand your store's functionality, this guide will provide you with the steps you need to confidently add custom fields to your store. To begin, let's head over to your store's admin dashboard. If you haven't already bookmarked your Shopify admin page, it's a good idea to do so for quick access in the future. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your store's admin area. This is essentially your launch pad where you can oversee your sales, analyze your store's performance, and manage all the behind-the-scenes activity. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you will find a variety of management options. From here, click on Content. The Content section is integral if you want to streamline your store's operations by organizing your information more effectively. By doing this, you open up a world of applications, settings, and, most importantly, customizations that can be applied to your store's data. Once inside the Content section, you'll notice a tab or button labeled Add Definition. Clicking here leads you to a place where you can start defining new fields. Adding definitions allows you to tailor the specific kinds of data you want to attach to your products, collections, or customers. This is particularly helpful for businesses looking to tailor their operations to unique needs or niche markets. The next task is to select Add Field. Keep in mind that this stage of the process is where your customization truly begins to reflect your unique business requirements. Adding fields enables you to input specific pieces of data that are not typically included in a standard product or collection template. Now, whether it's additional product specifications, sizes, types, or special attributes like made-to-order options, these fields let you capture the nuances that make your store special. As you add each field, remember to give it a clear and descriptive name. A memorable and intuitive naming convention will make it easier for you, your team, and even automated processes to work efficiently and effectively. Think carefully about the kind of data each field will hold, be it numeric, text, or date formats, and check to ensure everything aligns with your store's general aesthetics and functionality. In conclusion, mastering custom fields in Shopify provides you with the flexibility to not only amplify your store's functions, but also to offer a more enriched and personalized experience to your customers. This approach allows you to accommodate a greater variety of products and services, ensuring that your store meets both your unique business criteria and your customers' expectations. Stick around for more tips and tricks on optimizing your e-commerce experience, and until next time, happy selling!